welcome back to our channel app tutorial. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to book a bus ticket on Agoda. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, open the Agoda app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, open the app, then sign in. Now on the screen, you can see options like more, card, deals, my trips, and home. You have to stay on home. Then on your home on display, you can see options like hotels, flights, things to do, homes and apartments. Right below that, you can see other options like airport transfer, car rentals, AC, trains, buses, ferries, long stays deals. You have to select buses. Under buses, now you have to type in your pickup and drop off location, then select the date. You can also add a return date, then add the number of passengers, then tap on find tickets. Now once you do that, you can see there are options of tickets, thus you have to tap on book now, then read the details, review the details given on the screen, then tap on next step. Once you do that, you have to give your phone number, your email ID, then give your first name, last name, date of birth, your nationality, citizenship, then also the guests or partners information. If there is any, then you can choose a seat from there, then select your pickup point. Now all they have to do is look over the travel insurance, then tap on next step, then you have to pay up, and there you go. That's how you book a bus ticket on Agoda. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.